Okay. Okay, sali tayo ng letters, ha? Letters. Okay. Tingin kay Mami. Tingin dito sa letter, ha? What letter is this? Very good. This one. 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 F. Very good. This one. Very good. This one. K. Very good. This one. Ayusin. L. Very good. This one. M. Very good. This one. No. N. This one. Letter. Very good. This one is letter. No, dito muna tapusin natin. Letter. R. Very good. This one. This is letter. Letter. S. Ayusin S. Okay. This one is letter. No, it's not. Letter. T. This one is letter. U. Ayusin. This one is letter. V. Very good. This one is letter. Very good. And this one. X. Ayusin mo. Dagdagan. This one. What letter is this? Y. This one. Very good. Galing. Mag-sing muna ikaw, Ben. Alphabet. Sing alphabet. A, B, C, D, daw. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Nope. Hindi pa tapos. May numbers pa tayo. Number. What number is this? Tingnan mo. Number? Very good. Number is this. 9. What number is this? 7. This one? This one? What number is this? 2. 2. What number is this? Ito muna.
4.
Very good. This one, number. What number is this? Tapusin natin. 8. 8. We're done.